lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing the yummy and delicious goat meat with chicken pepper soup I just made. So if you want to take your pepper soup game to another level, sit down, relax, I will be right back. First I will be adding my already washed goat meat into my pot. Then I will stir and allow the goat meat to sit properly. Please guys, make sure you wash your goat meat properly with hot water and salt. I will be adding my already diced onions into my pot. Then I will allow it to steam up for 10 minutes before adding ginger and garlic paste. The reason you should add onions first because it helps to cook the goat meat till it is tender and also releases its own flavor to the pepper soup. I'm adding the ginger and garlic paste. Then I will stir them together and allow to steam up for extra 10 minutes. Now the goat meat have steamed up and release its own flavor. It's time to add my already diced and washed chicken into the pot. After adding the chicken, I will stir together and allow to cook for about 10 minutes before adding anything. Now the chicken have cooked. It is time to add my blended pepper mix. I added water to the pepper mix because I will use the water to cook the meat. So guys, if you are seeing this channel for the first time, welcome, and for my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always supporting me. And if you have not subscribed, do well to click the subscribe button to join the family, and also like, share and comment. Thank you. I will add my seasoning cube and stir them together. After stirring, I will cover to cook for about 20 minutes. The pepper soup is almost ready. I will be adding my main ingredients, which is crayfish and pepper soup spices. Pepper soup spice is made up by these various ingredients, which includes alligator pepper, Atarodo, negro pepperuda, gabillo, dried ginger, regis, ayoyak, tamarind seeds. All the seeds are known for their medicinal qualities. After add the spices, I will stir them properly and allow to cook for about 20 more minutes. When cooking your goat meat and chicken pepper soup, your meat must be soft and tender for easy chewing. Now my pepper soup is fully ready. I will be adding my vegetables, which I'm using scent leaf. After adding the vegetable, I will allow it to cook for 5 minutes because I don't want to overcook the vegetable. Right now my pepper soup is fully ready and the aroma that is in my kitchen is so good, and I'm not joking. The pepper soup tastes so nice and I can feel the spices in it, and that's how I want it. Pepper soup is medicinal. It also helps to control blood pressure and keep it from getting ridiculously high or low. In other words, it helps to stabilize blood pressure. Another medicinal function of pepper soup is that it chases away free radicals that could cause cancer. Pepper soup can relieve you of cold and cough. So guys, with all this information about pepper soup recipe, I hope you will try this recipe, and when you do, please let me know on the comment section how it came out. Now the pepper soup is ready to be served. So guys, you can enjoy this pepper soup with any salad of choice. Let me know how you love your pepper soup. Hot, spicy, and also tell me what you will use to combine this pepper soup and enjoy it. Thank you guys if you have watched up to this point, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share and also comment. I will see you on my next video. Bye.